From a few illustrations to a thriving print business.
I think I probably started it, what, 5, 6 years ago, maybe? I think it was one of those peak lockdown stories, I guess. But I kind of always wanted to try and get into, well, kind of a bit of drawing. I always used to enjoy doing it. So I had an iPad and just kind of learning, really. I think I might have started on Etsy, started with like some illustrations for cards and stuff like that, and like they surprisingly sold, which was kind of cool. And then a lot of the things we were doing during lockdown was like walking around and getting a coffee. I thought where like it's like almost like the place you get coffee is almost like part of your identity, and also where you meet people, friends, have memories. Yeah, the idea really spawned from that, really. And I've always been interested in like architecture of buildings in London, because there's like cool pubs, cool buildings. So yeah, it kind of then went on to like the same concept, really, where like these places have a lot of significance to people. A lot of the prints I do is like almost like over-index on color and like boldness rather than like subtlety. Sales are highest in like October, November, December. So yeah, I think it is a big driver as people are gifting, and I find that more and more people ask for like personalized items as well, or like have a good idea around to give it as a wedding gift or something. The service you guys have is really good for like art print on demand. But once it's linked, it all gets taken care of. Once that's done, it's all simple. But I think what's interesting, you kind of realize that these memories that you make, I think it's all about capturing that, really.
Start selling with Gelato. No upfront costs.